On today's episode of What the Hell Did I Get Myself Into? We are going to mount a shelf here you see all this stuff on the ground, just trying to clear that out of there for my son's riding gear. So gonna move the bikes out of the way. Probably gonna mount it just above the sprinkler control panel there. If not, maybe right under it. That way we can put his charger on the rack, his helmet, and some more of his riding gear. So first step, get everything cleaned up. Alright, this is the rack that I went with. Grab this off of Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. They sell a 2-pack. Probably should have went with a 2-pack, but I just got the single. And it should fit pretty decent here. You can already see where the studs are marked from when they did the joint compound. So just gonna go off of those to mount it. Hopefully this isn't too long of an install here. This is pretty cool. This looks like a template you just put on your studs here, and then you mark them off of here. I might even put the rack here just so it's easier to reach, so could do that as well. I got a stud finder I might put up against the wall here just to make sure I'm into the studs, and then have a larger level, like a 3 or 4 footer. So probably somewhere right here. That way this can get tucked around, and maybe I'll just rest this on the cable on top of the rack, just to probably like right here. Pretty level, pretty good. So this can either go behind the rack or on top of the rack, however we decide. Hey, there's a level that they were talking about. It already comes. So if you don't have one of those, don't gotta worry about it. Use a template, and you can use this cool little guy. All sorts of storage options. That's funny, I actually looked at that one, but needs something for baseball stuff and golf. That might be a winner. Baseball bats. I'll have to look at those. So we'll do the top and bottom and come back and do the last one. After further review, ain't nothing going in there. This ain't going nowhere. It's gonna have light stuff on it. Change of plans again. So after I had mounted it, it was a little uneven. So not sure if you guys are poor sports like me, but I couldn't get it even. So this one kept going into the old hole here every time I kept trying. So put this one in. Now I'm gonna go with this one because now it can't move, and it'll be even. Damn, that thing's crooked as hell. That's good. This thing's super crooked. There you go. Jeez. It ain't getting any straighter. Or these two guys. Eight inches. And we have, look at that. Eyeballed it. Call it good. Next, start hanging hooks. Got it. Guess we can do any configuration we want. If we went this way, go that way. And we can go that way. So these can go here. So it looks like it goes this way. If you want more stuff here. Done. We're all set for the most part. Got the chargers, the hooks, have some gear in that basket that I'll probably just hang, like another helmet on this side, and then I have a gear bag for mountain biking. I'll probably just hang that here or here. Not much stuff in it, but yeah, pretty simple, straightforward rack install. So rack installed, new light installed, I am gonna do another one of those on this side. But judging how bright these are over here, I think I'm only gonna go with the 3, maybe 4 hexagon setup on this side because it's a smaller area. Don't want to do another 5 like that, so I was gonna do 4 and just do like a square, but now I'm thinking I got odd number here, so I need an odd number here. I don't want to do 4 now, so probably a 3 hexagon kit. And that'll be probably one of the next videos I get done. So, and also if you didn't see that video, I'll try to link that to this so you guys can check that one out and want to see how that install went. And then if not, you'll see the 3 hexagon install. So cool. If any of this is helpful, appreciate if you guys could give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, and subscribe if any of this is helpful to you. Thanks. All done. Screwed in a hook there, hold some backpacks, helmet, hip pack, seat, and this is just miscellaneous riding stuff somewhere in there. Yeah, get the idea. But all done for now.